What's going on, everybody? My name is Karen Rose, and welcome to Digital Skills brought to you by Flow Business. This month, it's all about your website for your business. And I'm going to be teaching you a couple of additional ways to make some money through your website beyond selling your products. So let's dive right into my top 3 ways for you to monetize your website. Number 1, ads. If you have a website, you can connect Google AdSense and allow Google to automatically run ads on your website. This way you focus on building traffic, and every time traffic comes to your website and they see those ads that Google is running on your website, you can make some additional money. Number 2, affiliate marketing. So you're creating content on your website, you're doing blogs, you're doing videos, you're doing podcasts. If you are speaking about any products or services from any other company that has an affiliate program, or if you're reselling products, you want to make commission off of products through a platform like Amazon, whenever you review those products and services, you can jump on something like an Amazon, grab the affiliate link, embed it on your website, and that way when people purchase those products, you make a commission from Amazon. Number 3, sponsored posts. If you have a website, you are able to now create spaces on your website and allow other businesses to come and advertise on your website for a fee. That is another great way to generate money on your website and going beyond just selling the products. So I hope you enjoyed this Digital Skills segment brought to you by Flow Business. My name is Karen Rose, and I will see you in the next one.